Welcome to today's panel discussion.
Okay, ready? Go.
A wonderful morning, everyone. Welcome to today's panel discussion. Our topic is, which is more important, intelligence or strategy? We have 6 passionate panelists today, 3 supporting intelligence and 3 standing for strategy. Let's hear quick introductions from our panelists.
Hi, I'm Liz. I believe intelligence is the foundation to all success. Without it, strategy has no direction.
Hello, I'm James. Intelligence is the core of learning, problem solving, and innovation.
I'm Mirabel, and I stand by this. Even the best strategies can fail without the intelligence to adapt them.
Hi, I'm Miguel. Strategy wins battles, not what you know, what you do is what you know.
Hi, I'm Lara. History shows us that great strategies have changed the world, not just geniuses.
I'm Rafael. Intelligence may start the engine, but strategy drives the car.
Let's begin with opening arguments. Team Intelligence, go ahead.
Intelligence gives you the ability to understand, analyze, and learn. It's the root of creativity, decision-making, and innovation. Without intelligence, strategy is just guesswork.
With respect, intelligence without application is wasted. Strategy with ideas need to outcome. If someone average is intelligence can succeed with the right strategy. This today any business with this.
Strategic thinking comes from intelligence. You can create a good strategy without the brain power to understand complex systems.
But strategy isn't just about brain power. It's about execution. You can be smart and still fail if you don't know how to act or adapt. Strategy turns potential into results.
Now, we'll cover both up. Intelligence team, response to strategy.
What we're hearing is that strategy is action. But without intelligence, your actions could lead to disaster. Intelligence allows you to recognize the right path before you act.
And yet, we see countless intelligent people struggle because they don't know how to apply it. Strategy gives structure. You don't have to be the smartest. You just need a better plan. Still, that plan needs to be designed. AI, for example, relies on intelligence to function. It's not strategy driven until intelligence sets the parameters.
But real-world decisions often happen with incomplete information. That's where strategy shines, in adapting, responding, and surviving. Intelligence alone isn't enough when pressure hits.
Okay, backing up with examples. Intelligence team.
Anthony Campbell, Albert Einstein, changed the world through intelligence, not wars. His insight reshaped science. Intelligence sparks revolution.
Yet in politics, general like Ricardo or strategies like Napoleon shape nations through careful planning. Strategy wins wars, not against.
Steve Jobs was intelligent and used his insight to revolutionize tech. That wasn't just strategy, it was vision, a product of intelligence.
But without Apple business strategy, Job would have failed. Even geniuses need framework to work.
Final statement, please. Intelligence team.
Intelligence is the foundation of strategy. It means guides nations and leads to real outcomes. Without it, intelligence is like a map without
Strategy puts knowledge to work. It means aims, guides nation, and installing outcomes. Without it, intelligence is like a map without destination.
Even in crisis, intelligence helps you to learn and adapt. A strong mind can build new strategies, but a strategy can replace intelligence.
You don't have to be a genius to win. You need a plan. Strategy is the difference between thinking and achieving.
That was a wonderful debate. Thank you to all panelists. This has been a rich and thought-provoking discussion. Whether intelligence or strategy matters, more may depend on the context. But today, we saw the power of both. Let's keep thinking and let's keep planning. Until next time, thank you and goodbye.